Hey you guys. So I have my little sister here with me today. So anyway, again, So this is my second attempt to record this video, by the way. Oh, I did my nails. Like, I know I said in my last video, I will do my nails and post it, but I tried recording 5 times. I am so serious with you. And then it kept saying no more storage space. It kept cutting off and all that stuff. And when it let me record anything past at least 4 minutes or like a minute, and I kept pausing and everything. It took me 5 to 6 hours to do my nails because I work really slow and all that stuff. I don't have a power drill, so I have to be careful with my acrylic, and I have to taking deep breaths and all that stuff. Anyway, I want to say that we're getting kittens. We're getting kittens. We're getting kittens on Monday. Do not hold that though, because I don't know if I'll post the first. Sorry, there's hair on my arm, and I use my phone to record all my YouTube videos. So I don't have a camera like you fancy smancy people. Anyway, just look at what my sister's up to. Anyway, so I don't know how to explain. And another storage problem. There you go. Yep. Sorry guys. I'm so proper in the other video. I should have kept the first one. But it was 17 minutes long. We just kept going. No. Anyway, so we're getting kittens Monday. The reason why we didn't get them yesterday is because, first of all, the lady that's giving them to us is my stepmom's friend. Careful, the window will go that way. Okay. So, I lost count. I lost track of my...
The lady.
Oh, the lady. The lady. She rescued a stray kitten She rescued a stray cat that was pregnant. And she had kittens on March 8th. And then I was asked in about 6 weeks, do I want a kitten? And I was like, yeah. And then I said, can I have 2? Because it's not fair for me to have a kitten, and Victoria does not. So, yeah, Victoria has her cat, and I have my cat. And they're just so cute. Oh my god, I have one. I'm getting one with an M on its face. They're like little tabbies. So, yeah. I don't know the genders. Bless you.
Thank you.
I did meet. Every time she sneezes, I yawn. That is so...
Not my fault.
Anyway, so I'm really tired. I'm sorry. I'm not really into this. I'm not feeling this video at all. So, yeah. Getting kittens. I keep doing this because I want her in it. I want her in it, and it... Stop!
Sorry.
Look what you did. Do you feel any guilt at all? Okay. Makes me happy. Shows that you were actually sorry. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering why her hair is cut, she decided at 3 a.m. in the morning that she wanted to cut her hair, and I fixed it. Let's see. Okay, let's get that straight. So, anyway, getting kittens on Monday, and then...
Don't forget the edge.
Yeah. Getting kittens on Monday. Probably won't post on Monday. But I will take videos. I will put the stuff together. I will post on my other channel. And all that other good stuff. Tomorrow I'm going to Family Dollar or Walmart or both.
Kitty come.
Yeah, I'm gonna take Victoria with me. And I think I might need a young gentleman, tall, big escort. Yeah. Anyway. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop wasting y'all time. But tomorrow I'm gonna get more stuff for the kitten, and then the day after that, the kitten is coming!
Whoa.
Okay. Bye. Viewer discretion is advised.
No, it's
It
not.
seems today. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you see. It's TyQ Cat 15 and her sissy.
It's trash.
No. Where those good expressions.
I broke my word limit, bro.
Okay. Bye, guys.